Yes, welcome back. Why should I be a thief in my life? Why should I be a thief in my life? I would rather be a slave instead of be a thief. I would rather be a slave. Say yes to that majority. Good name is better than gold and ruby and diamond. You will reap what you sow. Thieves have no life. Majority plunderers of all kind will soon gnash their teeth. Why then should I be a thief in my life? I would rather be a slave. I'm already used to slavery. It worked very well with my folks all over the world. I would rather be a slave. I'm already used to slavery. Yeah. Get. It worked with my folks very well all over the world. Thank you. I'm going to use this opportunity to tell Nigerians that we have to stop all this stealing of government money. We have to stop the killing, the armed robbery especially. ASAP, please. Thank you.